There we go. Hello, little guy.
He likes your camera.
He's having fun. He's got the zoomies finally. Look at Ike. Look at Ike.
Yeah, I just wanted that direction.
There's Katie, Queen of the Hill.
Yeah, on the hill for him.
Don't hit him with the hard one. Make sure they're soft if you're going to throw them at him.
I know. I usually throw him in the other direction.
The skin around his face is much less tough. Look at Mama's baby playing. Are you having fun, Ike? Are you having fun?
Oh my goodness.
Are you having fun?
That one is somewhere. He's gonna go in there. Look at Burr.
Ike!
It's fun.
Hello, babies. He's got to be hitting those bricks around the flower bed. Probably feels funny. Ike! Hello, babies.
Do you know what makes him happy?
Having you here again tomorrow.
Yeah. I can come.
You can.
Oh, but my
Your dad's off tomorrow, yeah.
Sorry, my dad's off.
Tomorrow's Father-Daughter Day.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my dad's off.
Do I'm a king of the world thing, only do I'm queen of the world. You know, Titanic. Careful, don't fall.
No, actually they do that on Mount Everest. I'm the queen of the world!
There you go. Alright, come on down before you fall.
Oh, come on.
Alright, I'm done for shooting for now. Hopefully Ike will run around some more later. I get fresh batteries.